Okay, so here's the bike. Here's the rack. It's not, it's a little like this, but it's because the front end's up. That's what it looks like from the top. Nice storage. You see me cutting the corners, it's purely for aesthetic, and that's it, and I'll be filing them down just to make it smooth. Here the rack is being prepped for drilling holes for tie downs. And here I am drilling one of the holes. The rack is completed, all the holes are drilled, the corners are beveled, and I'm sanding it right now. Line this up where I want it. So this is what it's going to look like. So, nice and sturdy. Adding extra brackets to carry a shovel and an axe, which you'll see later. One, the second one. This is priming the part before the actual paint goes on. Bed liner. Oh, did I say paint? I meant to say bed liner. My bad. Well, finally the whole thing is done. Brackets are welded, it's all nice and painted. My inside brackets, my tray's done. My other side bracket. Now it's time for final assembly. And here's the parts I gotta put on. Shouldn't be too long. So enjoy. So that's it. Shovel on the passenger side. I can actually swap it out for the winter shovel. Cooler, always need one of those. Won't tell you what's inside. Firewood and my writing axe in case I get stuck and I need an axe. And that's it. Finally done. Here are some stills of the completed project. Really happy with the outcome for my first time bending and tube notching. Thank you for watching.